sharing, Bible study, fellowship, and Thanksgiving. And we are just thankful for God goodness for the whole year sa aming mga buhay. So, after that, hello again. Nahihiya. So, I'm here with my friends to visit them. Nagkaroon po kami ng konting fellowship, encouragement, and thank God for His goodness. Ayan si Joart. Kaway ka man, Joart. Hello, sabihin mo. Hi. Ayan si Jorlyn. Hi, sabihin mo. Naka-vlog kayo. At kanyang magandang mama. Hi, sabihin mo. Yes, so dito kami. At yun. After that, syempre, Pilipino, hindi mawawala ang pagkain. Yan, laki-laki. As you can see, so mga friend ko dyan sa iba't ibang bansa, na-miss nyo ba, no? This is pansit. What is this? Ganito pag Pilipino daw, kailangan pag kaldero nasa lamisa. Hello! Yes! Okay, we will see you again. Maraming salamat. And my hubby. Yes.
Okay.